Hi everyone, I'm Whitney, the Nutrition Health Coach here at Living Health Integrative Medicine. So today we're talking about one of our protein powders we offer. It's our Collagen Pro. So Collagen Pro is awesome, tastes awesome too, but this is great as a meal replacement shake. So I like to do this a lot for breakfast. Add this with a little bit of water or unsweetened almond or coconut milk. You can add some vegetables, a little bit of oil and ice, and you have a whole meal to go for breakfast. Collagen protein is awesome because it's kind of considered what we would say immune neutral. So patients that are highly reactive to pea protein or rice protein or dairy protein, this usually you're not going to have the reaction to. You're going to get 21 grams of protein per scoop, which is a lot. So again, if you're using it as a meal, you don't need to have any protein addition too. So Collagen Pro is also awesome for our regenerative medicine patients because it helps to stimulate bone formation. It's also great for hair, skin, and nails, so a little extra benefit there. You can order this online on our online store, or you can always pick it up in the office.